I do a lot of work with order forms and things like that, and I'm always needing to make little notes on things. So I ordered this multi-pack sticky notes. They are 1.5 by 2 inches, and they come in a lot of different colors. So there's a 24 pack in this set, and each pack has 75 sheets. So there's a total of 1,800 sheets. So it is definitely a lot. On the packaging, it says super sticky, strong adhesive. And I agree with that. I mean, I think it's like a normal sticky note. It's not like super strong, but it's definitely not going to fall off your paper when you put it on. So I always make little notes to myself on my order forms, and that way I can find it pretty easily. And it has so many different colors. You could like color coordinate your issues or whatever. I like that it's portable. You know, you can just put a little pack in your purse and use it for pretty much anything you need. You can put it to um, identify pages in books or um, recipes or anything in magazines. There's just so many ways to use these, and you have so many that the options are just limitless. So I would definitely recommend this. You will need a little container to hold them in because they're kind of messy. But other than that, they've been really great for my office, and I will continue to use these. Before I go, I wanted to show you about the size of them. So this is what it looks like compared to a mouse and a pen. These also help me stay organized. So I usually put little things that I need to do throughout the day next to my computer, and then it helps me not to forget anything. And when I'm done or I've done the task, I just rip them right off and throw it in the trash.